So today we're going to discuss about properties or rules of exponent. So the first rule is a product rule. Okay, in product rule, a raised to the power of m times a raised to the power of n is equal to a raised to the power of m plus n. So it simply means that you're going to copy the base, okay, and then add the exponent. So for example, we have x squared times x raised to the power of 5. So just copy the same base, okay, which is x, and then add the exponent or exponents. So 2 plus 5, so that will become x raised to the power of 7. Okay, another example. Y raised to the power of 3 times y raised to the power of 7. So since they are the same, so you just copy and then add the exponent. So 3 plus 7, so is equal to y raised to the power of 10. For the last one, z cubed times z raised to the power of 8. So just copy the same base. So z and then add the exponent. So 3 plus 8. So z is raised to the power of 11. So that is the product product rule. Okay, what if they are not the same base? Okay, what if they are not the same base? Can you add the exponent? Well, you cannot add the exponent. So for example, a raised to the power of m times b raised to the power of n. You cannot say a b is equal ab raised to the power of m plus n. No, that is wrong. Okay, so you're going to do is a raised to the power of m times b raised to the power of n rather. Since they are not the same base, just copy and also the exponent. So a raised to the power of m times b raised to the power of n. So it's just like this. Okay, another example. X squared times y cubed. So since they are not the same base, just copy x squared times y cubed. That's it. And for the quotient rule, so a raised to the power of m divided by a raised to the power of n, that will become a raised to the power of m minus n. So you're going to subtract the exponent. In a product rule, you're going to add. But in quotient rule, you're going to subtract. But this is the result if m is greater than n. Okay? If m is less than n, your answer will become what? Fraction. So that will become 1 over a raised to the power of n minus m. And your answer will become 1 if m is equal to n. Okay, let's discuss the first one. So a raised to the power of m divided by a raised to the power of n is equal to a raised to the power of m minus n if m is greater than n. So example, a raised to the power of 8 divided by a raised to the power of 3. So just copy the base since they are the same and then subtract the exponent. So 8 minus 3. So that will become a raised to the power of 5. Next is b raised to the power of 6 divided by b raised to the power of 2. So just copy the exponent and then just copy the base and then subtract the exponent. So 6 minus 2. So b raised to the power of 4. That's it. And then for the second one, a raised to the power of m divided by a raised to the power of n is equal to 1 over a raised to the power of n minus m if m is less than n. Okay, for example, a raised to the power of 3 divided by a raised to the power of 9. Okay, so that will become 1 over a raised to the power of n, which is 9, minus m, which is 3. So that will become 1 over a raised to the power of 6. So 9 minus 3, that is 6. Okay, another. B raised to the power of 8 divided by b raised to the power of 14. So that will become 1 over b raised to the power of n, which is 14, minus m, which is 8. So that will become 1 over b raised to the power of 6. 14 minus 8, that is 6. So the answer is 1 over b raised to the power of 6. And for the last one, a raised to the power of m divided by a raised to the power of n is equal to a raised to the power of m minus n is equal to 1 if m is equal to n. For example, a raised to the power of 3 divided by a raised to the power of 3. So that will become a raised to the power of 3 minus 3. So 3 minus 3, that is 0, right? So a raised to the power of 0. And all numbers or variables with 0 exponent is equal to 1. Okay? Then last one, b raised to the power of 6 divided by b raised to the power of 6 is equal to b raised to the power of 6 minus 6 is equal to b raised to the power of 0 is equal to 1. So that is the rules of quotient. So that's it for now, and I hope you understand our lesson. If you have question, just write it in your notebook, and we're going to discuss that during live session or live discussion. So goodbye for now.